Good afternoon, folks. Thank you for coming to Alfresco's kitchen. I'm Chef Eddy Chacon, and that's Chef Noah. So today we're going to show you one of our specials, pan roasted salmon with jumbo shrimp, patty pan squash, potatoes, and a puttanesca sauce. So Noah's going to start with searing the fish first. Get your salt and peppers, season the fish well. Noah's gonna do the fish on the side, and I'm gonna do the sauce. So make sure, folks, when you work with fish or shrimp, season it well and season both sides. You want the fish to taste good, both sides. So here I'm gonna start heating up my pan slowly. And the mistake people make when that's searing fish is that put the fish when the oil is cold. If the olive oil is cold, the fish is going to stick to the pan. So make sure your pan is nice and hot. Put the fish, sear it one side, flip them over, goes in the oven. Don't keep turning and turning and turning. You turn it only once. Yep. Very simple. Take a little piece of sand. Look at that. You see? Now it's perfect. That fish is going to be there at least for 2-3 minutes. We're going to cook it in medium rare. So, no, on this pan, start your side dish with the onion, the garlic. Shallots and garlic. In this other pan, I'm going to start my sauce. I start my sauce with a little bit anchovies first. If you don't like anchovies, you don't have to. But anchovies is very important in a puttanesca sauce. You can do it without, but the flavor is going to be completely different. I flip it. So Noah now is going to flip the fish. Beautiful. And he's going to pop in the oven. The oven is at 475 degrees, folks. So now he's going to start his sauce. Hey. His patty pan squash and potato hash. Make sure you break the anchovies. All right, folks. At this point, we are going to add a little bit of garlic and a little bit of onions. It's very important to season as you go. If you season at the last minute, the only thing you're going to taste is salt. So always season as you go. Add your red bell pepper. So right here, we got to extract all that flavor from that garlic. And this is one of tonight's special. So now, start with your tomatoes, olives and capers. Come on. Okay. So let's clean up a little bit here.
What is this called?
What?
This meal, what is it called tonight?
Pan roasted salmon, jumbo shrimp, patty pan squash hash, and puttanesca sauce. Why not? Add a little bit of wine. Right here, gonna add a little bit of wine. Let that wine reduce. You got fresh herbs. Got a little bit pinch hot peppers. And a little bit. Huh?
The hot peppers.
Yeah, but very little. Okay. Now, right here, we're gonna add a little bit of our marinara. All right, right now it's time to start tasting. See how far this thing is. Very good. A little more salt. Very good, folks.
Butter.
Little butter, yeah. And finish it with parsley. We're gonna get a big platter, the big plate from there. Now, let me check our salmon. Our salmon is almost ready. Our shrimp is almost ready. Let's finish it with a little lemon juice. And one more minute, we're ready to play. You see, I've been a chef for a long, long time. But one of the main things is to teach these guys that que pasen on. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't want to learn. But fortunately for me, I got people like Noah, like Max, my kids, who don't want to learn. So it's a pleasure for me to teach them so that can keep passing on and passing on. Well, I know how that one. You happy with that? Right. Sauce is ready. You happy?
Yep.
Right, this platter here, no? Yes. We're everything in the middle, the fish. We're getting his side ready. Our fish is perfectly cooked. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the color. Look at how beautiful it is. Simplicity. Simplicity is the name of the game. Let me take my beautiful knife. Trevor bought it for me. Thank you, Trevor. So now we're going to taste our sauce. Very good. Little spicy, little salty. So this is how that goes. You just put a little bit over. Never cover the whole fish with sauce or steak. Put a little bit over. And go a little bit in the sides there. Remember, folks, when you work with olives and capers, be very careful because they are salty already, so make sure you watch the amount of salt you put in. And this is how it is. This is our pan roasted salmon tonight. Thank you for coming to Alfresco's Kitchen. We appreciate you. And make sure you make reservations for Sunday. Sunday night is paella night. Thank you, and keep supporting us and support Noah, please. Thank you.